Hey guys, I want to teach you how to get in touch with a hiring manager for any position that you apply to by using LinkedIn's powerful search. So for this to work, I want us to take a look at this position at Slack for a privacy and data governance manager. So who is the job poster, or who is the person hiring, so that you can contact that person directly and ensure that your resume gets seen? Because of course, if you're only applying through the applicant tracking system, that is where resumes go to die. So you should always be doing this for any job you apply to. All right, so now we know this is at Slack and we know what the role is. Let's go ahead and take the part of the title of the role, but not the actual position, because we're not looking for the person that's in that position right now. We're looking for the hiring manager. So let's think about a level up, and this doesn't always work. It's not a strict one-to-one for associate to manager to director. Some companies have different hierarchies, but you can usually make an educated guess as to who might be the more senior next to the role that you're applying to, or at least someone that's in the organization that's adjacent to that role that would be able to put your resume in the hiring manager's hands. So we've now copied the privacy and data governance position, and we're going to go to search and put it in here, and then add Slack to it. Now we've searched, and this is searching for people. You can also ensure that you're only looking at people by clicking on people. And right here, you already see that there is a director for privacy and data governance at Slack. So this is most likely your hiring manager. Sometimes you can just search for privacy and data governance director if it's clear that the next step up from a manager would be a director, but it might be a senior manager or some other title hierarchy. So your best bet is just to take a part of the job title and put it in and see who comes up. So in this case, looks like it might be Ms. Lily Calmes. So my next step is to message the person. And I can write a very brief description of why I'm applying, and I can attach my entire application as a PDF that includes my cover letter and my resume, and then send it away. You can also send a contact request so the person definitely sees that you've messaged, because it's harder to see messages from people who are not your contacts. Let's also see if there's a different way to contact this person. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes the contact info includes that person's email if they choose to do so. So I'm going to just take a quick look. Okay. There is not an email, so it's good enough to message on LinkedIn, but sometimes you'll find an email. If there's a personal website, you could also look at the website and see if there's contact information on the website. That often works too, but please do not skip this step. It's very important. Happy hunting.